Welcome back to Skipify.ai's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to search vacant land. So what you're going to want to do here first is input the county or zip code or city that you're looking to skip trace. And for today's example, I'll be utilizing Dallas, Texas. I'm going to go ahead and click search. And then I'm going to include the quick filters. As you can see, there's about 749,000 records in Dallas. And then I'm going to click that quick filters button and go to the property characteristics. And out of all classifications, I am then going to select vacant land here. And then under the property types, I'll then select general, residential, and commercial. There's plenty of other options for you here if that is something that you're interested in. But because I'm specifically trying to focus on residential, these are the options I'm going to select for general, residential, and then commercial for vacant land. So now I'm going to click search and scroll down here, and you can see that I went from around 700,000 records to 57,000, and you've got all the different details here. All you're going to want to do if you want to skip trace these properties is select however many you would like, or you could bulk select up here and then click to skip trace those records, and you'll get the skip trace information via CSV file, which you could go ahead and download via your My Data tab once the file is ready. And that's pretty much it on how you would go ahead and skip trace vacant land on Skipify AI. For any other questions, you could reach out to us at support@skipify.ai. We're also releasing YouTube videos and tutorials and whatnot every week on how to best utilize the platform. So stay tuned and subscribe for more information.